she doesn't want me to go, you know. I already paid, tengo tiquetos aquí.
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
What's up guys, my name is Marwa, and if it's your first time to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. I'm having some cute girl from Uruguay. Yeah, this is really amazing. You can show your face just like 1 minute, then tú pueda abrir tu...
Ah, ok, pero no me gusta la lluvia.
So yeah, she's from Uruguay.
Uruguay.
And I'm telling her we go to Costa Rica because tonight I'm going to Costa Rica. Yo habla como vamos a Costa Rica esta noche.
Y yo digo, eres tan loco.
She thinks I'm crazy. But no, I'm just telling her I'm so spontaneous and she should not have fear around me. Tú no necesitas miedo cerca a mí. Tú solo es vamos, vamos, vamos.
No.
So we are in Panama and this place is called Via Argentina. It's very famous, the way you see. It's super famous.
Y estamos buscando una cafetería. Mira, allá tenemos una cafetería.
Okay, we are looking for a coffee place and we found one right there. So we're gonna cross. People are so rich here. You see BMWs, like the one right there. Hey, wait, just espera, mama. She has a problem with her leg. Yeah. So she's having a problem with her leg because she has something like a ball.
Una árabe así.
And I'm gonna be putting her Instagram on my Instagram so that you guys can follow her and get to know her. Okay? Tú tienes Instagram, ¿sí?
Yes, my Instagram is Renault Fuego.
Renault Fuego.
Renault Fuego.
No, but I'm gonna put in the link or in my Instagram.
Okay.
See, you're gonna check on my Instagram. I think we found food. Don't they?
Allá.
Looks really nice, you see?
Yes.
I
Yo quiero torta, no quiero churros, quiero torta.
Torta. I think she likes really
Vamos
classy
a
things.
esperar, vamos a ver si venden tortas o solo churros.
So we're going inside. So we didn't find coffee here. ¿Dónde es? She's really a drama queen.
Mi amiga es la hija de la dueña de churrería en Manolo. Esta es la churrería de mi amiga. Sí, es la familia Bauman.
Le cuentas que me dijeron para
Le voy a mandar una foto, porque yo no puedo creer.
She's from
Yo no sabía que
Uruguay.
tenían una cadena. Justo, o sea, ellas son Bauman de apellido. Amiga.
She found something from her home, and she knows the owner and the friend. So she's taking a photo to share. That sounds crazy, bro. We're only looking for coffee, but things have changed the other way, you know. Vamos. Hey, gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias. So this is... Sorry, it's...
Vos con tu celu, o sea,
Sí, yo...
no me esperaste para comer, no me abrís la puerta y todavía crees que me vaya a Costa Rica contigo. Vos estás...
So, listen. I didn't wait for her to eat with her. That's number one mistake. Number two, she just opened the door because I was holding this camera. So she's compiling the mistakes. She's saying, and now she's telling me, okay, we want to go to Costa Rica. And tranquilo, mamá. Yo estoy hombre muy divertido y siempre tú tienes sonrisa cerca a mí.
Ah, okay.
So I'm telling her I'm a fun guy and she'll always have like a smile around me. But I can already tell her personality. I think
I only
she's
need my cake and cappuccino.
she's looking for cappuccino.
My
you know?
coffee, please.
Oh man. We shall find one. Tranquilo, mama. Okay. Tranquilo. So we're walking that way.
Quiero la casa del pan.
Aquí, más adelante,
Okay.
piensa. And you can see how she's walking. It's really funny. She's limping, you know.
You're so
Like-
bad.
No, I'm just making. She's limping because she has something like you know, I don't know if it's a boil, but around her ankle. Yeah, ankle, I think.
Hello.
But she's really pretty. I didn't imagine. She's super pretty. Ooh. Bello esta cámara. Aquí.
Ah, okay.
No, bello como como.
Ah. Mira,
Yeah,
acá.
aquí está bien, sí. So we found another place, right? Yeah.
Pero yo voy a ver qué quiero tomar.
Preguntar.
Pero no hay torta. Yo quería una torta.
So we're trying to ask another place. She's busy looking for something. So that's how it looks like. So mira algo.
Ok, gracias. No sé qué querés. ¿Vos qué vas a querer comer?
¿Cuál?
Hoy, qué rico un croissant de jamón y queso.
¿No hay ahí?
Sí, yo no atiendo.
Okay. So her leg, she's really achy.
Oh.
Maybe I'll buy her slippers, you know? Slippers. ¿Sabes slippers? Zapatos sin...
Ah, ok, sí.
sin...
Sí, es. Ya te dije que mis zapatos son muy altos. Los que tengo abiertos son como así. Son zapatos para yo estar alta.
So she's saying the only type of shoes she has.
Porque I'm little. I am a little girl.
You are what?
Little girl.
Oh, a little girl. So she has like shoes with a high heel, something like that. Yeah. So we're still looking for. Pregunta cuál café de este.
¿Para tu video?
Sí. So we're trying to look for coffee. Yeah, cappuccino. Yeah, trying to look for coffee.
¿Qué cafés tenés? Vas a salir en un video, ¿ok? Porque si no te preocupes. Ta, yo quiero un cappuccino. ¿Me puedes hacer un topping de crema doble? Con topping de crema, ok. Y luego quiero un croissant de jamón y queso también. Sí. ¿Y vos qué querés?
Cappuccino.
With cream?
Yeah.
Cream, ok. Si no, con
So
crema.
cappuccino con crema.
¿Algo más?
O sea, la crema es el café. Doble crema.
No, crema doble, como crema batida, como eso, como lo que tenía la señora, crema chantilly. Chantilly, sí, eso. O sea, al cappuccino ponerle arriba chantilly. ¿Ok? ¿Entendiste? A los dos.
Pero con leche.
Sí, cappuccino común, cappuccino que es café y leche. Y ponerle cremita arriba, pero porque se me antojó nada más. No es que sea algo.
Y el de también.
Y el de él también, sí.
Sí. My job is to give you the... ¿Tiene hambre? ¿Sí o no? She has a good personality. I feel social media personality.
¿Qué decís?
Tú tienes personalidad de redes sociales.
Ah, sí. Yo soy comunicadora.
Oh, she's actually a radio presenter in una radio.
Yes.
Yeah, she's a radio presenter in Panama.
Yes, here in Panama.
Wow. So I'm dealing with a celebrity here. Como tú eres una celebridad.
Viste, ¿no? En Uruguay ya trabajaba eso.
Okay, so in Uruguay she's also doing the same.
En radio, en televisión.
Oh. So let's wait for this man. I hope when we get the cappuccino we shall show you. And soon the video will be ending. Please ensure you give this video a like, subscribe. More videos coming. Vamos a Costa Rica.
No.
I'm telling her we go to Costa Rica. Vamos. I'm doing the camera like, you know, like you know how you react like, let's do it. So,
A ver, veamos qué dice la gente.
sí, mañana tendrá comentarios aquí, demasiado. So she's gonna check the comments tomorrow. Ensure you drop your comments in this video. And man, I'm going to Costa Rica. I don't know, I'm just confused about everything. Yeah, you know. Yeah.
No queremos que él se vaya. Yo no quiero que vos te vayas ya.
Yes, sure.
Que vos te vayas.
Oh, sí, mañana.
Tonight, no, please.
She doesn't want me to go, you know. I already paid, tengo tiquetes aquí. Tiquetes.
Ah,
So it feels sad because I have my
qué linda que es esta camisa,
my tickets. She wants my shirt. Oh, she says my shirts have swag. Yeah. Okay, guys. Hola, ciao. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
See you in the next one. Okay. Costa Rica.